In this video, we'll answer the question, can you install Android apps on a Samsung Smart TV? Let's find out. The quick answer. Samsung Smart TVs use the Tizen OS, not Android TV, so you can't directly install Android apps like you would on an Android TV or Fire TV. What you can do instead. Samsung has its own app store called the Samsung Smart Hub, where you can download many popular apps. Most big apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Spotify are available there. If an app you want isn't available, you can try screen mirroring or casting from your Android phone or tablet to your Samsung TV. Using screen mirroring or casting. On your Android phone, open the app you want to watch. Use the Smart View or Cast option to connect to your Samsung Smart TV. This way, you can use Android apps on your TV without installing them directly. Alternatives. If you want a full Android TV experience, consider getting an Android TV box or a Google Chromecast with Google TV. These devices let you install Android apps directly on your TV. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.